So something went wrong with our presentation recording last week. So I'm creating this quick walkthrough video for Manychat for anybody that wants to understand how to use this very powerful tool for their business. So Manychat is an automation tool that you can use to automate your Instagram DMs and your Facebook Messenger messages, your WhatsApp messages, Telegram messages, SMS marketing, everything. I will search here for Manychat pricing, where you can find, I suggest that you start with the free tool, get used to the tool, get used to them creating some things that the free version lets you. But then if you are serious about it and you want to create very nice and well-defined automations, go to the pro version. It's only $15 per month and it's worth every penny. Now this is what you will see when you will subscribe, which is home, contacts, automation, live chat, broadcasting, and settings. I will start with settings, showing you here that you can actually create channels, all the channels that you can connect. I will go to home. You will see 3 connected channels. Click here, see insights. You can connect your Facebook page, your Instagram page, and your email, your WhatsApp, SMS, Telegram, everything you like. Now let's go to here. You will see all the contacts, automation, live chat. A nice thing that you can do here is have all your channels into one, which is actually very convenient. Now you will see here that there are different templates that you can use either for Instagram automations or Facebook automations. That's very convenient. What I want you to go and start with is the FAQ. This is how you will create a frequently asked question that it will appear the moment any visitor will come to your DMs. Before they even send you a message, they will see, okay, how can I help you? What are the prices, your working hours, your guarantees, all of these kind of things that you can set up. Add more and more questions that you can actually help them before they even contact you. This is great customer support and will help you from answering a lot of questions. You can set up story mention replies. You can set up story reaction replies. Every time that somebody reacts with your story, you can send them a message. Every time that somebody mentions you in a story, you can send them a message. Let's go to all templates here, that you can see that you can choose your platform. Let's choose Instagram first. You can do AI create automation. This is a tool that will be a little bit more advanced for most of you, and it will be only in pro, but you can start choosing the top ones that are usually when you want to show to somebody your new website or generate Instagram stories to create more leads, or use your comments, Instagram comments to create into a sale. How this work, I will click on this. So what happens is you set up a sequence, you set up something, an automation that you will mention in your post. Please comment gift, for example, in your post, and to get this, whatever this is, okay? The moment they click gift or checklist, or as you can see here on the right hand side, whatever this is, they will get an automatic reply on their comment, and then they will get a DM inside their messages that they will be able to go and watch the video that you send them to, your lead magnet, your new product, anything that you want. Then you can use, let's go to all the templates, and you can use the same for Facebook. Facebook has less because its Messenger is a little bit simpler now. A lot of people are using Instagram to generate sales more than Messenger. Obviously, you can create a quiz to qualify your leads. You can capture customer data with a nice lead magnet. You can promote a lot of things and automations with this tool. what I suggest in many cases that you can go to automation and create a new automation and start from scratch. This will show you how the tool works. Then what happens is you want something to trigger an automation. So you click here and let's say choose Instagram and choose a user commenting on your post or reel. This is what we discussed a little bit before. So if you have the Pro, you can choose any post or reel, and let's say you want to have a specific keyword. So I want to promote my giveaway, so my giveaway, put some variations, lowercase and uppercase, just to make sure that you capture it properly. And then if you want to make sure that some keywords will not trigger this automation, add them here too. Press save. And now you will see here that this will, every time that somebody comments in any of your posts or of your reels, the specific keywords, they will be drawn to an action that will be Instagram. So here it is your text, and you can say thank you for your interest, get now into our giveaway and win. And here you can get a button that it is get a chance to win, and you can send them to your website, which is going to be your website.com. And now what will happen is you can actually go to preview. They can click the button and send them to a website, and this is a simple automation that you can do in 3 minutes. You can set it live and it will run for you. You can use a preview to actually text it. You can actually see it in Instagram if you want, and preview it will give you a code. This is a little bit more complicated to preview, but you can just do a plain preview here. Now you can go to, I will take this one and delete it because I don't want it right now. You can create here folders to put things that you are testing, to have them properly categorized. So if you create many, you don't need to look for them all over the place. You can use from the automation button here. Your automations are all here. You can create basic automations, you can see, for both of your channels. You can create a main menu, you can create default replies. Again, these options, you will be able to find them even in the free version, but you won't be able to do a lot of things without the pro version. The free version has a lot of limitations, obviously. And you can create sequences. What sequences are? Sequences are, let's say, test one, and create it. What will happen here is the same way you are doing automations, let's say abandoned cart emails, that someone comes and they abandon their cart and you send them an automated email 30 minutes later, 6 hours later, 1 day later, 2 days later, 3 days later. You can create this kind of messaging here with the sequences, which is another very powerful tool that you can use and have a continuous communication with people that have done or haven't done something in your in what you do. So I want to show you the example I showed in the live session, but I will show it here too, what we did for Adele's Adele services. This automation, what this automation is all about, she's showing everybody that wants to send her a message, book or appointment, this message, which is really, hi, this is what I'm doing, choose something from your from the services below. And this appears as a carousel on your phone, which is just very nice, with these booking options that bring you to a different part of your website or your Calendly to book something. And with a simple carousel, she can book all different variations of your product in automatically without having to do anything herself, saving a lot of time. And This is a very short, again, video to show you what are the possibilities and how you can do things. I'm not going to go as deep as we went into the live presentation. It's just a little bit of a video that you can go back to. I suggest again to take the free version, play with it, create automations, see how they work set them live, see how they work in Instagram, and then the moment you're ready to make them more elaborate and different, you get the pro version and start making some more complicated ones. Talking about complicated ones, just because we actually discussed about it, you can do way more complex things, and this might look a little bit more overwhelming. So we can choose one for Messenger, for example, qualify leads, which is a game that you can see it brings you based on what your customer answers. There will be a new question, and depending on how you can use it, be creative with that. You can use it to send them to the right collection, to the right service that you sell, to anything you want. If we set up the template, you will see that it's a very, very long and complicated one. What you can do is just take the already pre-made templates for you, just change the text, change the links, where each one links, if you want to send them to what question and what answer. If at the end of it all you want to send them to a specific website or a web page of your website, do not try to make it your own, meaning do not try to customize it too much, just use the existing flow as it is. But if this feels too complicated, just go to the basics, start from scratch, and it will work miracles for you. Any simple automation that can save you 10 or 15 times of your day is worth the trouble and the money. The more of them you will add based on the business needs, the better it is going to be for your business. Thank you very much for watching, and have a nice evening.